Welcome everyone to another exciting episode of The Kersh Life. I'm Chris.
I'm Brenda.
I'm Aubrey.
Today we are traveling through the rain and we're going to go have a visit to Jacksonhole. It's about an hour and a half from our house and we just wanted to get out, rain or shine. So we're going to head there, and Jacksonhole is in Wyoming. So we're crossing state lines, and while it's rainy, a lot of their area is boardwalks are covered, so the rain shouldn't really affect what we're doing. We're going to grab some lunch, hit up the candy store, hit up some of the tourist shops for whatnot, and see what else might be happening in town today.
All right, so come with us on our next adventure. So here we are in Jacksonhole, Wyoming. Jacksonhole, Wyoming is open year-round. A lot of local shops, a lot of local crafts, arts. You can buy real estate here if you want to. We actually just bought a homemade, handmade candle from a local craft here. Really great. It changes color. The one that we chose was one that is of the mountains that are close by, the Grand Tetons, that actually change color and looks like a sunset, so it was really cool. But this place is always busy, always something going on, and always things happening. So even on a cloudy, rainy day, it doesn't stop people from enjoying all that Jackson has to offer. One of the big things, the popular things that people like to do, is to have their picture taken under the arches, the different arches that are around with the made out of antlers that is in here in the Central Park. So we are gonna have our picture taken and do our typical tourist shot in front of the arches. All right, let's go. And these things have been here, I mean, since I was a little kid. I mean, they might have replaced a few antlers here or there, but it's pretty awesome. So yeah, arches all around, all made from antlers from elk. So yeah, super cool. So here we are at libertyburger, locally owned. A lot of fresh ingredients. They sell burgers, fries, shakes.
Even adult shakes.
Even adult shakes. So if you want a little bit of, you know, with your ice cream, you can have that. I ordered what's called the Baby Bella burger, which is burger with Baby Bella mushrooms, and it's got an onion ring on there and a garlic aioli.
I did a Napa burger. Has green olives, arugula, onion, also garlic aioli. I think that's it.
And we got a side of fries and a side of big side of onion rings.
I got a cheeseburger with only ketchup and some fries and a Dr. Pepper.
So we're gonna enjoy some delicious burgers. We're gonna have our fries, and then we're gonna go explore some more at Jackson.
Whoa, 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 yeah, we are in the place to be, yeah, 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 yeah.
These guys are famous for all of of their homemade hand-pulled, old-fashioned saltwater taffy. Besides taffy, they've also got all kinds of different, all kinds of candies. They've got jelly beans. They've got pretty much anything that your heart desires for candy. We're gonna grab ourselves some different types of taffy. All right, here we go. Whew, I'm beat.
Me too. So we had lunch at Libertyburger here in Jackson-Hole.
We spent way too much money on candy.
We got some souvenir shirts. And now we're gonna go to Grand Teton National Park because it's just 5 minutes down the road.
All right, let's check out Grand Teton. Well, that wraps up our day in Jackson today. We got a lot done. It was just a simple day trip. So we had some good burgers from one of the restaurants there in Jackson. We were able to explore the town a little bit. Bought some shirts and some hoodies.
Got some taffy.
Oh yes, don't forget the candy store. We're able to explore a little bit of the Grand Teton National Park, small loop. We did see some bears, but by the time we had our camera equipment out, they were gone. We came back up in the mountains heading on home. Basically went in the clouds. Might have been wet and rainy, but we still had a good time. But we're gonna wrap up our adventure today. So once again, I'm Chris.
I'm Brenda.
I'm Aubrey.
And thank you again for joining us in another episode of The Kersh Life. And remember that life is an adventure, so go do it. All right, guys, we'll see ya.